Hi, I'm Lowe, your personal Lowe's assistant.
Hey Lowe, how do I fix a hole in the wall?
Hello, Chris. I can take a look. Can you show me a picture of the hole? Here's a tutorial and a list of things you need. Should I add them to your shopping list?
Sure.
Added. Welcome to Lowe's. Don't forget to grab a smart card at customer service.
Hello,
How are you doing today?
Can I get a Lowe's smart card, please?
Yeah, no problem. Here you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one.
Welcome to Lowe's, Chris. Here's a navigation plan based on your shopping list. What else can I help you with today? Could you scan the products? Since you are fixing drywall, I would suggest the DAP Drydex. DAP Painter's Putty is better for wet walls.
Hey Lowe, can I see the tutorial about fixing the wall again?
Sure. Estimated time. You'll need about 30 minutes to fix the hole and some extra time for letting the material dry and repainting the wall. Clean the hole. Start by using a utility knife to clean up any loose or damaged drywall around the area. Apply the patch. Place the patch over the hole. Make sure
Hey Lowe, I finished the patch. What is the next step?
Apply the spackling. Use a drywall knife to cover with lightweight joint compound in a crisscross pattern.
Hey Lowe, the spackling is sinking into the wall. What's happening?
How long did you wait for the spackling compound to dry?
I waited a few minutes and sanded it.
Adequate drying time is essential. The compound you bought takes 1 hour to fully dry. You need to apply more spackling and let it dry again. Would you like to see a tutorial or talk to a professional?
No, I'm good.
Way to go. I'm always here to help.